As leader of a change management office, you need to work fast, be flexible, stretch your budget, wow internal stakeholders, build credibility, and constantly prove your worth. At Issoria, we understand your mission, and we've created Elevate to be your resourcing and delivery launchpad. With a global team of elite consultants working in 72 countries, Elevate gives you the right people when and where you need them. And we can scale to your requirements quickly, saving time and money. Elevate powers your service and accelerates your impact. It then delivers an added value boost. By working with us, you earn a range of rewards, from advisory days to films like this. To infinity and beyond? Maybe. To the status of a trusted advisor and an essential part of your business? Definitely. Join some of the world's largest companies by partnering with Issoria and elevate your CMO.